something and ditch the regular halwa with the same ingredients and your favorite milk mold. So today we are making an eggless cake, but not the regular eggless cake. It's different and I'll show you a very important trick to make it. Since egg cakes have a lot of aeration in them due to the presence of eggs, they are very nice and fluffy. And I've heard a lot of people saying their eggless cakes don't turn out the same way. So what I've done is, please listen to this carefully. I've chilled the butter, I've cut it, I've weighed it, and then I've chilled it again in the freezer for some time. And now I'm adding milkmaid to it. The milkmaid is room temperature, but the butter is chilled. And you will see what we get is a very nice and frothy mixture. Now a lot of people use creaming as a method to make cakes, but this is not creaming but also mixing of fat and sugar, which will help us to create that volume which we get. You see the milk in the milkmaid and the butter will condense together and they will emulsify. So when this happens, we get a very nice and frothy texture of the mixture, which is equivalent to the aeration of the eggs usually. So this will be equivalent to your regular. We just have to do this for a minute or so and we'll attain the consistency that we require. You see the ruffles here? You can see the ruffles here. When we start getting these ruffles which don't break, we are good to go. So it's just a 2-minute thing, but that will completely change the texture of your cake. So that's about it. This is the consistency that I've got. It's called ribbon stage. It's a beautiful texture. There you go. And for the dry ingredients, I have flour, baking powder. I'm mixing the dry ingredients together. We'll just give it a good stir. And now I will add any dry fruits of my choice. I'm taking 10 grams each of cashew nut, raisins and some chopped almonds. Let's give it a good mix. Another trick that I wanted to share with you guys, that usually people make cakes at home and their dry fruits kind of settle on the end of the cake towards the lower end, and that's okay because that's gravitational force doing its job. What we have to do is this trick. We coat the nuts entirely with flour so that when we add them to the cake, they don't sink down. So now I'm adding the entire mixture all together. This has flour, baking powder and the nuts. Nuts can be totally of your choice. You can also increase the amount of nuts in the cake on a very slow speed. Now I will add milk. So I'll add this into 2 halves. The first half is gone and then I'll mix it again on slow speed. Now it's time to pour the batter in the mold. Before that, I'll just bring everything together once. I'll see if there are no scraps of the flour. This is again a very important step. That once you've done using the mixture, please incorporate everything together with the help of a. Since this is a dense tea cake, I will have to just spread it evenly. And what I do next is very important. I'll double tap it. Just 2 taps. Just 2 taps. And now we put it in the oven at 180 degrees for baking. This will take around 35-40 minutes in the oven. So that's about it. Thank you very much. Hope you and your family have a great Diwali. Thank you and wish you a very, very, very happy Diwali from all of us at Vedatya Institute. I am Chef Apurva signing off.